Summa cum laude from the Institute of Mathematics.
To the esteemed Chancellor of UP Diliman, Attorney Edgardo Carlo Vistan II, our former Chancellor, Dr. Fidel Nemenzo, former DOSTP and RI Director, Dr. Carlo Arcilia, our dedicated Dean of the College of Science, Dr. Cinchas Saloma, our former Dean, Dr. Giovanni Tapang, inspiring faculty, staff, parents, guardians, and my fellow graduates, graduating candidate for graduation of the BS, MS, and PhD programs. Isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. It is an absolute honor and privilege to stand before you today to deliver this valedictory speech representing the response on behalf of the BS graduates. At this very special moment, we have all been anticipating. We entered the University of the Philippines as Escolar ng Bayan, students searching for answers. But today, the College of Science bids us farewell as the next generation of scientista ng bayan, scientists equipped to provide them. Today is a point of zero derivative. We have reached a critical turning point, a peak in our young lives. We are basking in a beautiful, hard-earned local maximum. Ngunit tandaan natin that this is definitely not our absolute maximum. There are higher peaks yet to be conquered. Bawat isa sa atin ay may kanya-kanyang kwento ng pakikipigma sa CS. Lahat tayo dumaan sa sunod-sunod na pagsubok. Example, mula sa pagising ng maaga para sa Math 2X series, hanggang sa walang katapusang lab report sa physics, chemistry, biology. Some found the path smooth, while many of us suffered severe hurdles and difficulties. But look at yourselves today. You fought your way through. In the grand equation of our journey, the transient errors, the INCs, the 4s, and the 5s, they do not define the final state. You are a conqueror. Be proud of yourself and the journey that has gotten you here. Just to share a bit of my story, I was that typical overachiever kid, like many of you here. Since kinder, elementary to high school, I've always been the rank 1 and valedictorian. I was thirsty for higher knowledge and academic validation, thinking that I had to be in UP Diliman and finish with the highest honors. A young, naive mindset. When the advanced majors hit, I hit a concrete wall. I experienced exams so brutal, they shattered my confidence. For a kid who used to be unrivaled, it was terrifying to feel lost. UP will humble you, they say, and it is entirely true. Those UNO grades became harder to earn, and I found myself asking agonizing questions. Ano ba ang saysay ng aking pagpapagal? Para kanino ito? What is the limit of this academic validation that I've been searching for? It was only until my third year that I embraced a shift in perspective. I stopped tracking numbers and started appreciating the raw, profound beauty of the concepts. I invested myself in discovering the true joy of math, which lies in sharing its wonders with the community. The agonizing questions I previously had were all answered. Nagkaroon lamang ng saysay ang aking uhaw para sa kalaman nang maunawaan kong ang tunay nitong kabuluhan ay hindi kailanman masusukat sa dami ng aking natutunan, kundi sa lawak ng aking naibabahagi. Lahat ng natutunan ko ay hindi dapat magsilbing pedestal na mag-aangat sa aking sarili, kundi tulay na mag-uugnay sa akin sa bayan. Dito sa UP, natutuhan ko na ang pinakamataas na anyo ng katalinuhan ay hindi ang kakayahan na maging angat sa iba, kundi ang kababaang loob na gamitin ito tungo sa paglilingkod. UP taught us that being an scholar ng bayan means more than just excelling within four walls. In mathematics, we are obsessed with the existence and uniqueness theorem. Does a solution exist and is it unique? We hunt for that one singular answer. But our years at UP completely re-engineered that perspective. As we confront the real world, our scientific conviction tells us that solutions exist. We refuse to believe that climate vulnerability or public health crisis are unsolvable. However, these solutions are never unique. They cannot be solved by a single equation or an isolated discipline. It requires a collaborative mosaic of the College of Science, and more importantly, it requires our science to react directly to modern realities. True science cannot exist in an ivory tower. Habang tayo ay nagpapakadalubhasa ang ating mga kababayan, ay lula ng mga balsa kapag may bagyo dahil sa lumalalang climate crisis. Ating mga jeepney drivers ay nagdurusa sa kawalan ng hustisya, dala ng monopolyo sa langis at enerhiya. Nasasaksihan natin ang walang pakundangan na pagputol ng mga puno, mapanirang land conversions, at ang patuloy na pagsira sa Sierra Madre. Kaya naman bitbit ang ating dangal, husay at serbisyo. Isulong natin ang mga panawagan sa mga mahalagang issue, gaya ng climate justice, pondo para sa mga research labs at fieldworks. Bilang mga lingkod bayan, gamitin natin armas sa agham laban sa korupsyon at katiwalian. Bago ko tapusin ang talumpating ito, nais kong mag-iwan ng taus-pusong pasalamat sa mga sumusunod. To the College of Science, especially to Ms. Celtomol for the scholarship that I have received that helped me in my studies. Thank you so much po. Thank you to the Institute of Mathematics for being my home for 4 years, and to the faculty who guided me, especially to my program advisor, Dr. Rolando Perez, and my thesis advisor, Dr. Rodina Mohammed. To my home organization, UP Mathematics Major Circle, for giving me the platform to express my advocacy, which is to spread the beauty of mathematics to everyone, and whose members I consider my family. Grateful to my friends, professors, and to my siblings, Les, Red, and Levy, nandito sila, and to my parents, Mami Jane and Daddy Ed. Sadya ko pong hindi sabihin sa inyo na ako mag-speech ngayon to surprise you. Mom, Dad, you have been in the audience watching me deliver a valedictory speech since I was in kindergarten, elementary, the senior high school, and now here in my college in UP Diliman. Thank you for believing in me even when I doubted myself, because if someone told my younger self that he would be standing here today, I wouldn't believe them, but my parents always would. This milestone is entirely yours. And above all, to the Lord God Almighty, for His overflowing grace and providence over our lives. Sa aking pagwawakas, ang ating edukasyon ay libreng ipinagkaloob sa atin. Ngunit tandaan natin na wala itong libreng tanghalian. Ito ay binayaran ng dugo, pawis at puwis ng mga mamamayang Pilipino, ng mga magsasaka, mangingisda at manggagawa ng bansa. Kaya naman, tumugon tayo sa ating tungkulin na huwag itong sarilihin. This is our challenge. Huwag nating hayaang alikabukan ng ating mga thesis at titulo. Let our knowledge flow where it needed the most. Then worry not about the dark nights ahead. Saan man makarating ay huwag kalilimutan ang mga aral at karanasang bitbit mula sa pamantasan. At sa pagdating ng takdang panahon, muling sisibol at mamumukadkad ang mga mirasol para sa iyo. Batch 2026, let us go forth proving that our science shines the brightest when it's poured out into the genuine service of society. Muli isang pagpupugay sa inyong lahat, mga kapwa ko sayentista ng bayan, at laging tandaan na ang lahat ng ito ay lagit-lagi para sa bayan.